Hi everybody, Cindy here with Pathways Homestead. I have been promising you a video and I'm going to show it to you now. I've been promising you how to make cream cheese. Super easy. You're going to be shocked, really shocked. So our first ingredient that we need is my homemade yogurt. And so I made this yogurt a couple weeks ago. Now, by the time you see this video, it's going to be a couple weeks. And so I'm going to show you how easy homemade cream cheese is. So hide and watch. Right, so I'm going to do this over the sink to kind of catch some of the mess. I've got a cup to catch the whey because I'm going to feed it to the hogs. You know, here we don't waste anything. I've got a sieve. Put that in there. And then I've got a clean towel, and I use these towels for my cheese and butter making and stuff. Not butter making, for my cheese making. So I'm going to set that in there just one layer thick. So I've got the yogurt here. I'm going to open the yogurt. I'm going to pour it in. Look how thick that is. Pour it into the cloth. And I'm going to let it drain. There may not be a whole lot come out of it because that yogurt's really super thick. I'm going to squeeze it. You have to be real careful squeezing it because the yogurt will actually come through the cloth. And you don't really want that. So I'm just going to leave it and let it drain, and then we'll come back. Then we'll come back and I'll show you the next step. Letting it drain. Right, so this is drained for several hours, most of the day, and we have got about 1.5 cups of liquid off of it. We are just going to now transfer it into this bowl. It's going to sit in the refrigerator for a while. Alright everybody, we're going to finish up our cream cheese video. I've got it made here. It's been a few days, and we're going to pull the cream cheese out of the towel. Sometimes you have to change the towel too, guys. And then we have, look, we open it up. And guys, we've got cream cheese. So now you can add your herbs, or you can use it just like cream cheese. And there it is. I'm super excited, guys. Easy to make. Not as hard as you think. You can store this in the refrigerator just like this in a bowl, airtight container. You can wrap it in wax paper first, and then wrap it in plastic if you're concerned about plastic. You can put it in a reusable bag or reusable thing. I like to store mine in glass. That's just how I like to do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I pray you have a blessed day. Remember, God made you special, and He loves you very much.